What is a watershed? A watershed is an area of land that drains into the same body of water. Permeable. Permeable means a surface that water can sink through. Impermeable means a surface that water cannot sink through. Groundwater. Water that is held underground in the soil. Surface water. Water that collects on the surface of the ground. 5 examples of pollution would be trash, litter, gas, oil, chemicals, and fertilizers. Point source pollution. Pollution that comes from a direct source. Non-point source pollution. Pollution that does not come from a direct source. We made a diagram to demonstrate what a watershed is. The sand in the water represent an aquifer. The sand is a permeable layer. The Play-Doh is an impermeable layer over the aquifer. The rocks in the water represent a lake over the aquifer. The green felt represents land, and on the land is a farm. The red Kool-Aid represents fertilizers that the farm uses for their crops. The spray bottle represents rain that washes the fertilizers into the water and pollutes it. This is an example of non-point source pollution. The green food coloring represents trash and litter people have thrown into the water. This is an example of point source pollution. This experiment was to find out if the water in our aquifer was still clean. The water in our aquifer was still clean, and I think that the Play-Doh helped because it was an impermeable layer so that the polluted lake water could not sink into our clean aquifer water.